Hello, my name is Dr. Mel Irvine. I'm a provider here in Southwest Florida, and welcome to part 2 of testosterone replacement therapy in men. Today we're going to talk about options. Guys, you're all heading in the same direction just like us women are, and the question is, how do you want to head in that direction? Testosterone is essential for your overall health and your well-being. Different options, men are going to have different needs. There are options for creams and gels and patches with testosterone, there's injections, and then there's pellets. Here we go over all of those options to meet your specific needs and the differences between the therapies. Here in Florida, we live in kind of a hot, humid environment, so oftentimes men, creams and gels aren't the best option for them because people are very active, we sweat, and there's a risk of transference and not a good option for many people here in Florida. Most of our patients are on injections or pellet therapy. When you talk about injections in men, we have a lot of men who successfully undergo that therapy, and it's very cost effective. As well as pellets, that's a minor surgical procedure performed in the office where we make a little puncture or incision and we insert pellets for men that slowly and consistently absorb and deliver a nice level of testosterone over a period of about 3 months. No matter what option you're considering, men should be looking at testosterone replacement therapy to improve their quality of life for whatever the reason is, and no matter the age. If you're having symptoms of low testosterone, you should be going to your provider to have it checked. Oftentimes I get men here who have normal testosterone levels, but they're symptomatic. If you're symptomatic and your levels are on the lower end, or I also do a different calculation where I calculate how much testosterone is available for use in the body, and oftentimes find low levels just in that calculation. We do hormone replacement therapy for those men. We're not all cookie cutter, and men are definitely not all cookie cutter, although you are pretty easy. So when you're considering options for testosterone replacement therapy, just be sure to find a good provider that you're going to find that fit with, who will listen to you, develop that rapport with, and will responsibly maintain your therapy for you, okay? Here in our clinic, we check testosterone levels in men every 3 months. It's not an option for them. I tell my patients, I'm sure you can find that provider who will check your levels once a year, maybe not even that. We've had people come to us who haven't had their levels checked in years, but they still keep getting these prescriptions. So make sure you're finding the right provider for you. If you live in the area and you'd like to come and consult or establish care, you can always call or text us at 239-351-5663. Check out my YouTube channel at Dr. Mel Irvine and subscribe and like my video, or go to our website at www.sexties.com.